Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about where to find job opportunities specifically for the open source. I have been talking about open source community all the time, but often I get a message saying that is there any opportunity for a particular project, a full-time, part-time, and is it something that I can work for or you can recommend? What I've seen is people contributing to the open source projects a lot. I've seen they're very passionate about it as well, but most of the time they struggle a lot to find the right opportunity. So I just did some research and I try to gather a couple of information, reference links or a platforms you can say that where you can simply go there and you can directly apply for, or you can just find a relevant job which are available, which can suits as per the project that you work for or you are interested or the kind of experience you already hold. So I can tell you what are the platforms that you can use it, and what are the what are the social media platforms so you should always check. So let's get started with that how you can find the right opportunity, what are the platforms are, which social media you need to use it. Before we get started, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with a lot of amazing contents for you guys, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my next content. So let's get started one by one. So the first platform is Forjobs.net. So here is the link. All you need to just go to this particular website, and here is all the information that you can find. All these relevant openings can be listed over here. If you're specifically looking for a particular location, you can just click on the links like France, Germany, Spain, UK, US, or worldwide, like remote opening, or what kind of a job you're looking for. If the job is in administrator, writers, marketing, designing, managers, testers, consultants. So based on that, you will get all the details, right? And let's say if you are running your own open source project or a product or a service and you're looking for people to join and specifically looking for the open source developer, you can also feel free to post the job over here. You can post about like whether it's opening for full-time, part-time, freelance, internship or whatever it is, which particular category you're looking for. You are looking higher for managers, testers, designers, programmers, consultant, researchers, translators, support, whatsoever. So just fill out all the information, put the different location. If there's a remote opening, just keep that as way, or you can just, if you're looking for any particular location, you can just select any particular location, and you can also put the city name, but it's not necessary. Describe the detail, which is most important part. Make sure you put the relevant information so that the people who are sick for the job or looking for the job, they can look at the information and decide that whether they are going to apply or not. And all the details about your company, links or something which can be helpful for them. So then you need to step 2 and proceed further, and that's it, right? That's it. So here you can find all the information. This is the first one, Forjobs.net. The second one is open source Jobhub.com. So here is also you can find all the information, right? So all you need to do research about it. For example, let's say if I'm searching about opportunities for Docker, right? So as you can see, I found all the information. Open source has opening for software engineer, Linux support engineer, financial consultant, infrastructure automation engineer. You can also, by the way, you can select it over here like by categorize this, like what kind of role which best suits for you, because I think you are the best person who can decide like in which area you want to explore more, full time, part time. So there's an opening. You can just, so I just search about open source. Let's see if I'm search about Docker, which I and I'm just keep the location as a blank because I'm looking for the worldwide like remote opening. So yes, for Docker they will give me this many search, right? You can definitely just click on any particular link. Let's say I'm going to click on this one, and here I'll get all the information. Just make sure you read all the information specifically about the job description, which is very important, then the role, and what you're going to do and what kind of a profile they're looking for. If this matches it, you can definitely go and hit this one, and yes, it's that simple. So I hope this, and this is the one of the better, and this supported by the Linux magazine and the Fast Life. So all the relevant, all the trending jobs or the latest job which someone has posted it, definitely gonna find over here. and I think you can see all the big companies are actually hiring from here. They continually posting about here. So yes, you can also post a job over here. So if you are, as I said, if you're a company looking for the hire, post a job over here. Fill all the details. You need to sign up for that. So that's the next process. Basically, there is one more company who has more. There is one more platform where 68 companies are hiring, more than 60 plus company, I would say. So here is they actually posted on the GitHub. So here are all the openings you can see. They have a specific repository description and the job page. All the details can be here, very beautifully crafted, I would say. Name of the company, Elastic, what can be described the most, and here is the link where you can definitely go and apply. So here is all the 68 companies are there, and you can make sure you can mark all those links so that because they are continuously adding more companies. So here's I would like to give the credits to T90.io folks who maintaining this one and doing really amazing job to keeping all the folks updated about all the latest job opening specific to open source area. The next one is NoDesk. So NoDesk.co, which is another good platform where you can find the remote opportunity for the open source area. So I already searched for it. So as you can see, all you need to do is just type the keyword, location if any particular, or you can work remote, as you can see, right? And scroll out and see all the relevant information. Let's say here is the opening for open source software engineer by Datadog. Datadog is one of the big company. They are hiring. All the details are here. You can just need to click on the apply for the job. And again, I'm saying make sure you read all the description before applying date. And yes, you can. So it's a very good platform. NoDesk. The another one is open source design. So this is a specifically platform, the people who are specifically in the design field, maybe a graphic designer, UI designer, animator, 3D animator, video editor, or so product designer. So all those people. So this is the hub for you guys. You can see all the relevant information over here. So yes, let's say here is the one which says contribution of logo and identity for open source dev tool. So you can just go to this one, check this out. Basically, yes. So one more important thing, if that opportunity is paid, then it actually return as a paid that you are going to pay for this one, or else they give you the grades. So it depends. Maybe if there's the contribution work or something. So make sure you read that information before it. And if you have a relevant opening in your organization and looking for the design and specifically this area, you can just simply go ahead and post a job. The another one is Remotiv.com. So here is one more area where you can just type all the details. Let's say I'm going to type about the Kubernetes. For the job opening for Kubernetes. So as you can see, I got all the relevant opening. Of course, DevOps engineer, backend engineer, front end, which comes into the. So this is a keyword just basically is come up from the descriptions. Also, you can just filter it like whether you're looking worldwide or just the US or other location which is not compared to this one. So yes, all the information over here. You can also subscribe to them so that they will keep you updated whether if there is any new opening or someone has posted a job which is relevant to what you are looking for. So all the details can be found over here. You can also put the job as well if your company is hiring. So you can also help them. So yes, one more important link to add. The another one is, and the last one is the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is by far the best platform, I would say. Like other six are also good, right? But this is also very good because here you have your the business profile, and people nowadays, all the recruiter mostly looking for this profile, and they very seriously look at your LinkedIn profile, like what kind of information you put it over there, all the reference link, what kind of work you've done, so everything. So make sure your LinkedIn profile is stay updated. So you should really use LinkedIn Jobs, which is you can find right under your LinkedIn account. Here is the one. You can see this briefcase icon. You just click on that. Search for open source developer or any particular field that you're interested in. Put the location. Right now, put the Germany, and click on search, or you can put the remote, as you can see over here, and you can find all the relevant openings over here. You can just click anyone, read all the description, the role, the requirement, the benefit that you're gonna get, and just apply for it. So this is as simple as that. So basically we have all this information in front of us, just the only thing that we are not using it. I'm sure you already know about LinkedIn for sure, but please use LinkedIn more deeper. LinkedIn is a very vast, very beautiful, and very, let's say, useful platform. But apart from that, the other 6 platforms that I have just shared, make sure you bookmark all those links because those are really important for you. And in the beginning I told that what are the social media platforms that you can use it. So I would say that you can use the Twitter and the LinkedIn. These are the best platforms that you can use it, right? So that because that way you can connect to a lot of people. LinkedIn is a place where you connect people. Similarly, Twitter as well, because I rely on these 2 platforms and they help me a lot in my career. So you can definitely use this one. And yes, so these are all the tools that you can use it. And please make sure you bookmark it. And yes, I'm going to put all this information in the description as well, so that you can definitely find out about. So I hope you like this video, and let us know your feedback. And if you know that any other link that I'm missing out, please feel free to drop in the comment box. I'll check that, and if I found that it's really good, then I'll definitely consider to put in the description, so that other can also found it to be very useful. So thanks again for watching this one. Let me know how you like it, and I promise that I'm going to keep creating this kind of content and come up with a lot of other important platforms that can be useful, right? So thank you again for watching it, and make sure make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any of the next content. And thank you for watching it.